Welcome to the Korean lesson for beginners. We shall start with some basic vocabulary and sentence construction before proceeding to building conversations.
가족,
Which means family.
가족, 가족. 명,
Which is a quantifier used to indicate a certain number of people.
명, 명. 몇 명이에요?
Which means how many people.
몇 명이에요? 몇 명이에요? 세 명이에요?
Which means 3 people.
세 명이에요? 세 명이에요?
If you have noticed, traditional Korean number system is used to refer to the number of people.
가족이 몇 명이에요?
Which means, how many people are there in your family?
가족이 몇 명이에요? 가족이 몇 명이에요?
Remember, the English translations are not literal. This is only for your understanding. An average Korean person would not frequently use pronouns in response, as it is redundant, with the message already being conveyed.
우리 가족은 세 명이에요.
Which means, there are 3 people in our family.
우리 가족은 세 명이에요. 우리 가족은 세 명이에요. 어머니,
Which means, mother.
어머니, 어머니. 하고,
Which means, and.
하고, 하고.
However, this expression has other meanings, which we will explore as we go deeper into learning Korean. As of now, just focus on the current meaning, which we will be using through the course of this lesson.
동생,
Which means, younger sibling.
동생, 동생.
Since it is not a gender-specific word, it can refer to both younger brother as well as younger sister.
남동생,
Which means, younger brother.
남동생, 남동생. 여동생,
Which means, younger sister.
여동생, 여동생. 있다,
Which means, to have.
있다, 있다. 없다,
Which means, to not have.
없다, 없다. 동생이 있어요.
Which means, have a younger sibling.
동생이 있어요. 동생이 있어요. 동생이 없어요.
Which means, don't have a younger sibling.
동생이 없어요. 동생이 없어요. 당신은 동생이 있어요.
Which means, do you have a younger sibling?
당신은 동생이 있어요. 당신은 동생이 있어요. 나는 남동생이 있어요.
Which means, I have a younger brother.
나는 남동생이 있어요. 나는 남동생이 있어요. 나는 여동생이 없어요.
Which means, I don't have a younger sister.
나는 여동생이 없어요. 나는 여동생이 없어요.
Now, we shall slowly move on to the conversations. This is a conversation between you and your neighbor. You have just moved into the neighborhood, and your neighbor wants to know more about your family and asks,
가족이 몇 명이에요?
how many people are there in your family? You reply by saying,
우리 가족은 3명이에요. 아버지하고 어머니하고 저.
There are 3 people in our family. Father, mother and myself. We shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
가족이 몇 명이에요? 우리 가족은 3명이에요. 아버지하고 어머니하고 저.
Here is another conversation. This conversation is between you and your friend. Your friend asks,
당신은 동생이 있어요.
Do you have a younger sibling? You reply,
나는 동생이 있어요.
I have a younger sibling. Your friend curiously asked,
남동생이 있어요.
Do you have a younger brother? You replied to your friend spontaneously,
아니요. 나는 남동생이 없어요. 여동생이 있어요.
No, I don't have a younger brother. I have a younger sister. We shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
당신은 동생이 있어요. 나는 동생이 있어요. 남동생이 있어요. 아니요. 나는 남동생이 없어요. 여동생이 있어요. 그녀,
Which means she.
그녀, 그녀. 누구,
Which means who.
누구, 누구. 그녀는 누구예요?
Which means who is she.
그녀는 누구예요? 그녀는 누구예요? 제,
Which means my.
제. 누나,
Which means elder sister.
누나.
This expression is used only by male speakers to refer to elder sister,
언니,
which also means elder sister.
언니.
However, this expression is used by female speakers to refer to elder sister.
그녀는 제 누나예요.
Which means she is my elder sister.
그녀는 제 누나예요. 그녀는 제 누나예요. 살,
Which indicates age in terms of number of years.
살. 몇 살,
Which means how old.
몇 살. 언니는 몇 살이에요?
Which means how old is your sister.
언니는 몇 살이에요? 언니는 몇 살이에요? 그녀는 24살이에요.
Which means she is 24 years old.
그녀는 24살이에요. 그녀는 24살이에요.
We shall conclude this lesson with another conversation. Assume that the first person is a male, while the second person is a female, even though both conversations will be enacted by a female speaker.
그녀는 누구예요?
Who is she?
그녀는 제 누나예요.
She is my elder sister.
언니는 몇 살이에요?
How old is your sister?
그녀는 24살이에요.
She is 24 years old. We shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
그녀는 누구예요? 그녀는 제 누나예요. 언니는 몇 살이에요? 그녀는 24살이에요.
Thank you for the patient learning. Despite a few shortcomings, the broader focus should be on making progress in learning Korean language. Stay tuned for more updates. If there are any doubts regarding the Korean lesson, please feel free to ask questions in the comments section.